Hello everyone and welcome to Fun with the Fab Fork with registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin.
Hello and welcome back to Fun with the Fab Fork. I consider today's recipe to be a little piece of heaven, perfectly paired with delicious angel hair pasta. It's Creamy Lemon Chicken Piccata, and its taste is otherworldly. Let's get to the ingredients. For the chicken, you'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or oil of your choice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And for the creamy lemon sauce, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted, 2 tablespoons of capers, 2 cloves garlic chopped, 1 lemon, 1½ cups of chicken stock, 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of parsley, fresh, chopped. This recipe serves 2, so you'll need 4 ounces of angel hair pasta. But if you want to serve 4, just add a second chicken breast and double the serving of pasta. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to Fun with the Fab Fork. And don't forget, if you have a recipe idea, please feel free to let us know. And we just might give you a shout out if we use it in a future show. Peace, love, and good eating.